In trigonometric table, we have already learned the values of different trigonometric functions at angle 30 degree and 60 degree. Now we are going to prove it geometrically. For this, consider an equilateral triangle ABC in which each side is 2a, and as it is an equilateral triangle, so its each angle must be 60 degrees. Draw a perpendicular AM. As in an equilateral triangle, perpendicular divides the angle and as well as the base into two equal parts. So we will have this angle as 30 degree. This angle also will be 30 degree. This side is A and this side also will be A. As the BC is two-way, so BM and MC will be A and A. Now we mainly need to focus on this triangle AMB. This triangle AMB. So we will be drawing it separately to find the measure of side AM. So to find the measure of side AM, we need to use Pythagoras theorem, which says AB square is equal to, that is hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now AB is 2A. From here we are going to find the value of AM square, which is equal to 3a square. 4a square minus a square, we will get 3a square. Then am will be under root of 3a square, which is equal to a root 3. Now for sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree, perpendicular is this and the base is this. So as I have got the perpendicular as a root 3, so my sine 60 degree will be a root 3 by 2a, which is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is base by hypotenuse, which is equal to 1 by 2. Tan 60 degree is perpendicular by base, a root 3 by a, which is equal to root 3. Similarly, we can find the value of cosec 60 degree, sec 60 degree, cot 60 degree by taking the reciprocal of these values, as reciprocal of sine 60 degree is cosec 60 degree. So cosec 60 degree will be 2 by root 3. Now for sine 30 degree, perpendicular is this and base is this and hypotenuse will be the same. So perpendicular by hypotenuse. Sine 30 degrees we will get 1 by 2. Cos 30 degree is base by hypotenuse, which is equal to root 3 by 2. And tan 30 degree is perpendicular by base, that is a by a root 3, which is equal to 1 by root 3.